Iraq was like scrawny cowards. When you would interrogate people or you would capture them, the men were like often crying. They were like giving up intel like a drop of a hat. The experience I had in Afghanistan, I was interrogating a guy and I remember I had like a blade up to his face and I was like, if you don't tell me where this is at, you're done. The interpreter's talking to me and he says he doesn't care if you kill him now, kind of like you. And I remember being like, well, now what? Like, I'm not gonna cut his head off, like this is insane. So I just like sheathed the blade and was like, all right, well, plan B, search the place. And I think that's why that place has not been conquered for so long. It's just, you have like seasoned, hardened fighters. There's no government in Afghanistan. There's little cliques and groups and they band together and they make bigger groups.